To view the Semrush dashboard, start by logging into your Semrush account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the Semrush dashboard, which is the main hub of the platform. The dashboard is divided into several sections, including the toolbar, the navigation menu, and the main content area. The toolbar is located at the top of the page and provides access to various tools and features, such as the domain overview, keyword analytics, and competitor analysis. The navigation menu is located on the left side of the page and allows you to navigate to different sections of the platform, such as the projects, tools, and reports. To get started, click on the Domain Overview tool in the toolbar. This will take you to a page that provides an overview of your website's performance, including metrics such as organic search traffic, paid search traffic, and backlinks. From here, you can click on the Audit tool to run a technical SEO audit of your website, which will identify any technical issues that may be affecting your website's performance. You can also use the Keyword Analytics tool to analyze your website's keyword performance, including metrics such as search volume, competition, and cost per click. To do this, click on the Keyword Analytics tool in the toolbar and enter a keyword or phrase into the search bar. Semrush will then provide you with a report that shows how your website is performing for that keyword, including your ranking position, search volume, and competition. In addition to these tools, the Semrush dashboard also provides access to a range of other features and reports, including competitor analysis, backlink analysis, and technical SEO audits. To access these features, click on the relevant tool in the toolbar or navigation menu. Best practices for using the Semrush dashboard include regularly monitoring your website's performance, analyzing your keyword performance, and identifying areas for improvement. You should also use the competitor analysis tool to analyze your competitors' strengths and weaknesses, and identify opportunities to outrank them. By following these steps and using the Semrush dashboard effectively, you can gain valuable insights into your website's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your online marketing strategy. The Semrush dashboard is a powerful tool that can help you to optimize your website, improve your search engine rankings, and drive more traffic to your site.